The LLM is garbage in, perfect out. If you want reliable, production-grade structured data from messy, human input like Slack threads, you cannot just throw it at the API. You need a pipeline. Human feedback is inherently noisy. It's missing context, it uses jargon, and the emotional tone varies wildly. A simple summarize this prompt will give you a summary, but it won't reliably give you a machine-readable ticket. Our goal isn't summarization, it's transformation. We are building a microservice whose sole job is to act as a perfect, dedicated data parser between the noise and the machine. This brings us to the 3 stages: ingestion, orchestration, and validation. Stage 1 is getting the raw data, the noise, into your script. Stage 2 is the orchestration. This is where the magic happens, crafting the system prompt that transforms the LLM from a chatbot into a flawless parser. We don't just ask it to summarize. We define the persona. You are a senior product manager parsing user feedback and converting it into actionable engineering tickets. Next, we provide the schema. This is non-negotiable. We tell it exactly what fields to populate, like title, priority, and affected component. And finally, the ultimate gatekeeper, enforcing that output. We use the API's built-in response schema validation feature, forcing it to comply or fail gracefully. This combination of rigid constraints and the powerful LLM allows us to bridge the gap between human ambiguity and machine precision. It's the difference between a vague summary and an executable task. Once the response is validated and perfect, that JSON object isn't just dumped into a variable. It moves to the next service, your ticketing system API. The pipeline is live. You've moved from a fragile proof of concept to a robust, error-handling microservice capable of handling production load.